Hello, YouTube. I see you there. Hello, Twitch. I see you. I'm gonna open Discord and post. Oh, God. Ugh. Dreadful. Yeah, I'm pretty sleepy. And I thought about. Oh, okay. I thought about not streaming tonight, but I thought it'd be fun. Hey, Coda, welcome in. Hey, Boolean. Hey, Kezer. I'm just posting my Discord message. So all of the internet knows I'm here. Hi. Welcome. Hello. Welcome in. I'm going to put some music on. Yeah, I'm very tired. I feel like in my muscles. Tired. I feel it. DV9, welcome in. Thank you for the giant me. DV9, you're slacking. Like 3 people in here before you. Tisk tisk. Let's do some wilderness piano. You did. You beat him. That doesn't happen every day. Nuno, welcome in. That's perhaps too loud. Close Twitch, so only found out via Discord. I'm sorry. That's how it goes. You can close Twitch. The editing bucket has some serious dents from being kicked down so hard down the road. Yeah. It'll be there for me eventually. I didn't mean to be so early, just waiting for a friend to come on games. I'll go and come back in 5. No, it's okay. You can be here. It's okay. So I left some things undid yesterday that I'd like to fix and clean up, and then we can do some new things. You can ignore all that. I was doing a little dance because Boolean got his generator started and he was here camping your channel. What? You were doing a little dance. What? Coda's been streaming every day, Nuno. Every day. He streamed today. I think it was his best one yet. He was all like, this is music. Let's think about that. And I was like, And then we understood. Yeah, he's addicted to it now. Gonna be doing it more than I do it. Not addicted. Yeah, you say that. He got a taste for attention. And now he needs more. Okay, so we need to update the types, the number of bushes you can plant. Max bush types. The other thing is kind of annoying and cumbersome. I'm going to do something a little annoying and cumbersome. So I have all these seeds. Bush seed 4, 5, etc. I need to overwrite them. Because I didn't make them, they're bush seeds, I didn't make them inherit properly. So I'm gonna do that now. So yeah, just gonna do this for a bit. When she finally decides to do the editing. I might stream more often during weekdays when iHeart is gone at work. Streaming stuff is available anyway. Leaves the mic. I usually take the mic with me to work, but he's made do. That would be... I don't know what my boss would think of that. I don't think they know what I do in my free time. That's probably for the best. That's probably for the best. I'm like Hannah Montana. Still in contact with any of the Ubisoft people? Yeah, I have to reach out to a couple of them. And check in and get the gossip, because I think I know which project got canceled, but I want to get it confirmed because I'm nosy. Actually, 2 of them that I know of might have been canceled, and I am nosy, so. Mr. D-Boy, welcome in. Aren't you streaming right now? You play RPG games like No Rest for the Wicked? Not really. Free weekend at the moment. Are you not live right now? But no, I don't really play games that much. And when I do, I always play the same couple over and over again. And then play games of streamers that I like. What's your favorite Pokemon? God damn. Just destroyed him. Nah. DB9 wins. I'm sorry. I'm guessing Mr. D-Boy is live right now. Because he was watching a thing that had like quite a bit of time left.
No, don't look. Don't look. Don't look. Don't look. Don't look. Don't look. No, I'm switching. I'm switching. I'm switching. I'm switching. I'm switching. I'm switching. Don't look. I'm switching.
I'm not looking. I'm not looking.
I'm switching. I'm switching. I'm switching. Don't look.
I'm not looking. It's fine.
Okay, good.
All right. Anyway.
Oh.
I'll leave a lurk. Put that over there. Shout out Mr. D-Boy. How do I even spell his name? Okay. So this is done. I think I finished this. Kobe, what's up? Welcome in. So I've been busy. I hope you're doing well. I've been really good. I hope you're doing well. And no pressure. No sweat. Don't even trip. Don't even trip. Caramel, chocolate, cotton candy, silver, slate, white. Yes. Changes bush seeds to use. No. Oh no, these ones I picked the tree seeds instead of the bush seeds. Okay, I gotta do these ones over again. Oops. Candle. Okay, just for you and anyone else who redeems it. Today I'm wearing my giant oversized, I don't know if you can see it. It's a snowdrop sweater in honor of all the stuff that's happening at Ubisoft. I think it's just that my camera's too zoomed in because you can't even see the candle, I'm noticing. There. But now I'm like a little small. I don't know if that's okay. Is this okay? Is this okay? Oh, you can see now. That's the Ubisoft logo. Yeah, it seems like the camera's a little tilted. Yeah, I see that. It's okay. I'll just make myself extra enormous on the screen so everyone can just look at me the whole time instead of the project. I think this is fine. I think this is probably for the best. So we'll just keep going from here. It's a little subtle nod to paying attention to me. Inheritance is what I was going to say, but let's fix the ones that I reload. Oh! Godot crashed. But DB9 said it was perfect. What happened? DB9. Maybe Godot wasn't as perfect as you thought. Too much bush, probably. Yeah, it really gums up the works. Digital Adderall, welcome in. Yeah, we're finishing up the bush. We're getting it cleaned up and putting it to bed. I messed up the thing. I think this was 5. No, this is 6. So this will be 7. 7, 8, and 9. 7. 7. And this one is going to be bush seed white, not to be mistook for tree seed white. Captain Coder, you again. Should I go? Should I? I was wondering, like, is this too much? Should I not go on? What do you think? Hadokinen, välkommen, god kväll. Trevlig torsdag. Please don't go. Stay with us 5 ever. 5 ever. She asked if I'd love her forever. I said no. Because I'd love her 5 ever. Hydrate. Thank you, Kaiser. Ubisoft are the ones that presented the world with such gems as Champions Tactics, an NFT game. Ugh. Yeah, F the company, I agree. Gonna make popcorn and tea. Want some? I am so full from the burgers. I went and had my leftovers from it after I took a little nap. So now I'm like very full of burgers. But probably in a bit, I'm gonna want some popcorn. And I'm drinking lemonade, but I'll probably want some tea later too. Like a wind down tea. It's so good to have tea when you're like freezing cold from the coldness of the world and nature and all that. All of that. Yeah, it's been miserable. Kettle corn. Ooh, kettle corn. That would really sweeten the deal. You know what I'm saying? Get some Kool-Aid. This is basically what I'm drinking. Cam, welcome in. I'm sad about the Prince of Persia remake, though. I enjoyed that one. So I won't like go into detail because I don't want to get in trouble. But there was a game that I know of that I'm 90% sure is one of the canceled ones that I'm very sad about because it looked good. But more games for us to make, right? I got a warm heart. Beams some warm southerly. What? Did anyone understand that? What? Are you gonna set up and employ us all? I mean, I'd love to. Who wants to figure out how to do Swedish taxes? You can be our accountant. Sending you some warm beams. Is that how that works? Okay, that makes sense then. The southerly really confused me more than anything. I would love to employ all of you. Might even pay you. Check for inventory space. Yeah, we can do this. Ooh, yeah. Let's only do fun and easy things today. We can do hard things later. Heart energy is immortal. It is southerly. Like, you're saying, like, towards the south. Southerly. Yeah, Hadouken is north. How do you know about that game? There was some public info in the game. If that's the case, and the game indeed gets canceled, we might end up with 10 different alternatives. So the game... Well, I worked at Ubisoft, you know. And the game was one that I knew of at one of the studios that got closed that was only developed at that studio. So it was an internal project that hadn't been announced. You're so big and transparent. Thank you. Caffeinator. Hard pass on learning Swedish taxes, but you get to move to Sweden. It's a good trade-off, I think. I need to work for Bread Factory Games. Everyone wants to work at my company. That's nice. What is happening here? Because of the camera being the wrong. And so then I was just like, I could get up and tip it to face correctly. I'm not hiring yet. But I am accepting ass kissing from people that want to make sure that they're on the I don't grumble. Grumble. Come on now. How about now? No. I will turn this company into the ground. You plan on doing any internships at some point? No. Price is too high. Of like learning Swedish? Or what's the price? Or just like having to work for me. 10 bits. Do bits count as ass kissing? Yeah, they do. They are actually the only thing that counts. Don't hire any of the ones that got laid off. We don't want people with bad luck. Yeah, exactly. We can't have that. It can't be that bad. Oh my god, stop. No, you guys. I'm gonna feel bad. Don't do that. I like these bits. I do like them. And that was more than DB. But, okay, let's not... Oh, the ass kissing price is too high. Ah, yeah. Yeah. No, that's fair. Okay, stop you. You're embarrassing me. Oh my god. Okay. One money's in, one money's out. Pay government. None because they greedy. No, Kezer, it's really weird and... Oh my god, you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god. Alright. all right, let's settle down. Yeah, an internship for this next month. So like, okay. Okay. I don't know what just happened. Thank you for the 102. You did not trick me into thinking that was 1,000, but I still appreciate it. Yeah, you get to watch my streams, DV9. DV9, you're supposed to be saving up for a house. You can't be throwing 12 and 14 pennies everywhere. And also the 1,000, Jesus. Okay. What was I saying? Oh, Swedish taxes. No. So it's like you have to say that the money is going in somewhere and coming out of somewhere for every transaction. So when Twitch sends me money from Twitch, from streaming, I have to say that the money went into my bank account and it came out of, and then I have to define the type of account that it came out of. And it's all in Swedish. And there are a lot of categories. There's like over 100 categories that the money could have come from. Jinxed it yesterday with the weather talk. Wait, what did you say yesterday? Also, welcome in, Lenny. Oh my god, Grumble with the 10,000 bits. That's incredible. Exactly 30 minutes to stop this bidding war. Wait, what? I think it's over. How do the Swedish meatballs play into this? Every 5 kronor you send to the US government, you get back 1 meatball. 1 köttbullar. Money comes out of the other people's pockets, goes into mine. I mean, yeah, when you put it that way. The worst of the winter seems to be over. That's what you said? Yeah, you jinxed us all. It was so bad today. It was so painful. Köttbullar. Köttbull. For singular. Bullar is plural. It's just bull, right? Or is it bulla? There's so many Swedish people in the chat that could correct me, but will they? But yeah, no, it was so painfully cold. Oh, I wanted to change this. I didn't change this before. Make wooden axe and shovel redeems unlock after buying the upgrades. I think that will be better than what I had done of just making it based on level. But yeah, I hope everyone's having a good week. I'm very pleased. I'm gonna be not working tomorrow, so I'm actually on the weekend, which is part of the incentive for streaming today. Because I was like, I can stay up late. I can hang out. Rodrigo, hello. Welcome in, lovely lad. Hello. So tomorrow I'm probably going to start streaming earlier in the day too, because I'll just not be at work. Brainoid, hello. It was a good week for me. It was. What happened? Tell me. Oh my god, Grumble with the 10 stream streak. You really are a loyal... I almost said something mean, but you're actually being nice, so thank you. A loyal friend. All I know is that my game, Cosmic Encounter, has the player fighting against sentient köttbullar in a haunted furniture store. An IKEA-esque. Just enjoyed working on some new content for a look at. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Is it gonna be, what's your schedule for releasing it? Grumble, do you know what I was gonna say? That I didn't say to be nice. I bet you know. Early February, hopefully. Nice. Whisper it to Grumble or to you? Or just into the mic? Oh. Tempting. It's a tempting idea. Maybe if I whisper it, it won't sound so bad. No. Let's keep people from like leaving in droves if we can. No, it wasn't like the last time. No. But Rainoid, that's really exciting. Early February. Okay. I will keep an eye out for it. Well, early February. So that's actually so soon. 2 weeks-ish. Sorry, I'm like distracted because I keep seeing the message from Grumble and then like laughing to myself. Okay, moves, wooden tools, rewards to only be available after enhanced ones unlocked. 2 to 3 weeks, and then I'll start working on the mobile port. The mobile port, that's such a good idea. Read it out loud or I'll post the clip. Read what out loud? Out loud. Read it out loud. What clip? The clip of me that I've like showed like 5. You can't threaten me with a good time. That's... You're barking up the wrong. Oh yeah, TwitchCon Europe is coming up. I don't know if you all are like keeping an eye on that. Read a clip. It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. It was the mid of times. It was the mediocre and the uneventful of times. Barking up the wrong bush. That's right. That's right. I know some people that are going to TwitchCon Europe, but I'm kind of thinking I don't want to go until I've reached partner. Dickens. Yes, exactly. Except I riffed on it a little bit. I am back. Anyone miss me? Hadouken, you left? Did you even say you were leaving, or did you just disappear? Energy cannot be created or destroyed. That's the last thing you said. And I missed it. That makes me sad, because I like that. Check for inventory space when doing add to inventory. We can do that. We can do that. Said it's gonna make popcorn tea. Oh, I didn't realize you were leaving to do that. I didn't know you were going AFK. Well, how was it? Do you have hot popcorn in your lap right now? Is this... Is this coming from popcorn? Popcorn and tea. Nice. Why is your camera going through the computer screen? Vongo, that is a good question. And welcome in. The answer will greatly disappoint you. My camera got slightly bumped and was showing more of that side of the screen. So I had to zoom away to show the Godot. Or stand up and adjust the camera. So I decided to zoom out and not stand up. But then I was like, I'm so small on the screen, I better just drag the view so that I seem adequately large in presence. And it's not being lazy. It's about having different priorities. And my priority is to stay seated. That's all. Never stand up on chat. Oh, no, standing desk. Okay. Just move the camera for you. It's too late. You make popcorn in a pot, not a microwave. I make it in a special appliance that I bought just for popcorn. Ego. Alright, I gotta stand up. Insert smart meme. Okay, I guess this is what happened when you're like, you know, telling chat about feeling tired, and then they're just like, ha ha ha. Hello, Twitch. Are you following here on YouTube? Not yet? What about now? Ooh, Rodrigo's got a point. But who among us wouldn't be following me by now on YouTube? Grumble? Yeah, he might be just like antagonizing me by like not even following. I did fix my camera. I did. I tipped it. Didn't you see? I think this is nice. I feel larger than life. Fix it more. This... I guess you're right. I can like zoom back in a bit. Is this better, Bongo? You like this? Fix it harder. Fix it better. She's sitting on a stool. Oh, that would have been smart. No, I don't have a stool. I don't own a stool. He uses Android, not iHeart. Wait, Grumble uses Android, not iHeart? But you have YouTube on Android, right? We have one of those hot air dryers on drugs, but they suck and make them too dry. Oh, the popcorn maker. Sui! Hi, welcome in. Or Suiyu. I'm sorry if I totally messed up your name. Welcome in. Hi. Yeah, we have it's like a plate with a stick that spins around. So you throw oil in it and then it spins around with like a lid for pressure and keeping the hot air. And then they pop and it's really nice. And it's like a built-in bowl. Test. Dang it. Lol. What? They say a streamer's name determines if someone follows psychology-wise? Huh? Don't lean on the desk to rest. That's cheating. Alright, I'm sorry. I'll just do my squats. Solo! Kale, welcome in. What's your game about? It is a cozy multiplayer game where you are a witch and you have a little realm where you do foraging and crafting and learn magic and collect things, and multiplayer is like a big part of it. It's just like a social place to hang out with your friends. It's called Hexery. It doesn't have a Steam page yet, but we'll get there. But today, I was gonna check. I slept for 13 hours. I had to get up this morning, Vongo, and go to work. Do you understand how hard that was for me, Vongo? Do you understand my pain? So it's Hello Kitty. Me? My Hello Kitty? Hey, Tricky, welcome in. Tricky, do I look big today? Vongo is complaining about me looking kind of big on the screen. Oh, the game is like Hello Kitty. Oh, like Hello Kitty Island Adventure. It's more like Animal Crossing. I can feel a cold forming in my throat. If I get 2 colds in 1 year, then I'm actually gonna lose my shit. My coworker is sitting adjacent or kitty corner to me. We're coughing, and I was like, what are you doing? Like, you were already sick this winter and got me sick, and now you're here again? Thankfully it's nice and warm in Sweden, so the commute must have been nice. Yeah, of course. Big strimmer. I know, that's what I'm saying. You don't look big at all. I feel like this is the right size. Thank you, Tricky. Thank you for the confirmation. Big brain streamer. Exactly. It really accentuates my brain. -4C. Yeah. People don't learn a single thing from the COVID era. My work like punishes you for being sick and working from home. Stop coughing or I'll throw you my microphone that I mysteriously carry with me at all times. If I touch them with my mic, then I can't use it anymore, right? -25C. Yeah, you're in the Midwest. The winds that make it feel like 100. Yeah. 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 No, I don't think we on either of those. Let's just like live somewhere nice and comfortable instead. Like as a group. We could just say, not today. You know what I'm saying? We could just say not today. Return false. If active player dot player inventory has inventory space. It's not really a good way to do that, huh? Let's just not do it for now. We'll leave it for now. Becca, welcome in. Put a shirt on, Coda. He's just wearing a white shirt and is very pale. Heading for Greece or something nice. That does sound nice. How's it going? It's going good. I'm a little sleepy. You could have gone to Spain. I went to Sweden for a reason, though. And it's not just because the name starts with an S, because I know Spain would have been an option then. But Sweden, I'm just checking if I'm allowed to sit down yet, and I'm not. I'm so tired. I'm like really using the desk now. Sweden's got the socialism, you know? It's got the socialism. Sleepy too. Stayed up too late watching tennis. Tennis? Is it like it gets you in a trance with like the Minnesota and Scandi connection, but goodness. Would you not pick Sweden? I guess not if you're saying this. It's not my first winter. This one just especially hurts. In 2020s, comparative socialism. Okay, so I'm not going to work on this task right now. I don't even know if I'm ever going to do it because I kind of just want to change how this works. So maybe let's archive this. Coming as a packet. I think we could do that too. What are you working on today? I'm trying to like do easy, fun things that don't require a lot of brain power. And I am thinking about, because I had some redeems for art last stream that I didn't have time to do before the end of streams. I might just jump over to Blender and do a little art. She's Glorbin. Is that what the kids say? The Swedish government takes care of its citizens instead of the other way around. Yeah, it's definitely nicer here than where I came from. We're budget Yanks. Budget Washington. Is Yank offensive? Oh, we can do this one. Let's do this one. See anything in your inventory. Oh yeah. Carrot's knocking at the door, Coda. I guess he can hear me. Look at him. Or maybe not. I don't know what that sound was. Someone was knocking at the back door to come in. Wish I lived in Europe. I hate it here, but everything I love is here. I wish I grew up in Europe. It's totally different. Lassamot, welcome in. Life with cheesecake is better. I know you're right. Knocking harder. Hadouken, if you want to like meet and socialize, we will do that in a public place. Don't show up at my house. At your back door. Can you open it, please? No. Stay out there. What do you like better about where you live now? I guess the best thing about it is the union. Just like the pervasiveness of unions and worker rights, and it leads to work-life balance, but also like a really strong sense of stability that I never had when I lived in the US. Because like I was constantly afraid I was gonna get fired for like anything, and like you can't do that in Sweden. Like you can get fired, but it takes a lot more work. Yeah, exactly. Bone hard. And then there's like, I don't like driving, and I don't have to drive in Europe, in Sweden at least. I just like have a bike and I take the bus, and like that's plenty. Your hands are full of cookies and puppies. We gotta open the door. America's way too big. Yeah, and car-centric. Open your back door for DB8. Oh no, not my back door. We don't discriminate cheesecakes. That's right. Thank you, Lassamot. Oh my gosh, there's so many people chatting. I'm so sorry. I chat with loads of people from North America. That world does feel rude AF. They work really hard, blah, blah, get nothing in return. Yeah. I have a falafel. Okay, you can come inside. But do you have the handsome falafel man that works at the falafel stand with you? Because, he can come and give me the falafel. You stay outside. Okay, anyway. Yeah, so I'm just trying to like knock out some easy things today, Becca. And I might do a little art, a little modeling. Just make some content for the game. Typing hazard, welcome in. I just keep checking. Okay, I can sit down again. Thank God. I might take off that redeem for the day because that was painful. Try to put him in my bag, but alas, he's too big. He's pretty big. He's a big boy. No, he's like taller than the stand itself. I have a living Godot plush that's life-size to help you work on your game. I don't want help working on my game. Okay. Yeah, we got past the standing desk timer, and I just stayed. If Sweden is better at socialism and bikes than the American Midwest, I need to get a dang passport. Yeah, it's definitely better. US used to say owning a car is freedom. Owning a car is a necessity most places over there, it seems. It is. Very few places is not. Start a new game in Godot. I'm scared I'm still a noob. Oh, that's exciting though. What's your project? Tell me everything. I know which falafel place you're talking about, but I don't know which the workers it is you fancy. He has a really nice smile. And he sometimes gives me a falafel while I'm waiting for my order. But not if Coda's with me. Going with an N64 art style, and it's kind of like Dark Cloud from the PS2, but with guns. Probably won't get fired. I don't know Dark Cloud. I'm gonna have to look that up. You'll know him when you see him. That's a good point, Coda. You would know. Yeah, post your if you have like visuals. Although the sentence might be it for now. I need to look up what Dark Cloud is about. That looks like Link, but I don't think it is. Because it's not a Nintendo game. Oh, it's an RPG. And City Builder. Oh my god. But with guns. Okay. So it's an RPG city builder. That sounds really hard to make, I mean. Instead of the characters leveling up, their weapons do. Oh. Okay, I keep getting so distracted, you guys. Yeah, most of them do give me a free falafel, but when he does it, he spits on it. So it's my fault. It's not your fault. Everyone's distracting me. There's no voice channel in your Discord where we can sit and judge you. Is that something you want? I like purposely didn't have one because I thought it would be weird. Like people would feel weird about it. Okay, Bold Turtle. Weren't you already here? Or was that yesterday? Either way, welcome. Looks in your eyes and says, that's for Coda. Oh, that's funny. I was just joking. Oh, okay, okay. So add a tooltip when crafting is disabled to say why. Might be a good time to start looking at localization too. But we won't worry about that for today. Okay, so accept recipe button. If recipe selected, tooltip text equals no recipe selected. No room in inventory. Or it'll say craft. Anonymous, thank you for the gift sub to Becca. I don't think I said hello yet today, but yeah, I was here yesterday. Okay, I think you came towards the end, and so I'm like blending it together. But also, I'm just like very tired. I was just joking. Oh, wait, you're right. I reread this. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. So if it's this situation, I guess we'll just still say no room in inventory. But really, there's a bug. Push error. Inventory manager node is null. Because that's odd. We don't want that. Okay, so now let's see how it looks. Okay, my inventory is pretty full. Still says craft. Even though it's disabled. Weird. Garcon, welcome in. I like the blocky trees. Thank you. Kazir, thank you for the chicken strips. Difficult to tell if someone's big head in the way. Oh, I forgot. You should see her bush. Thank you, Kazir. Are you winning? I think so. I'm enormous and I forgot. I forgot, but that's okay. Oh, error. Oh. Oh no. Why? Why? Jotson, hello, welcome in. Dreamward, hello. Sometimes I feel enormous too, yeah. So you've discovered the error of your ways. I have, although it still doesn't actually explain what happened here, because I have these nested conditionals and I'm setting the disabled to true or false. And this is the only time it should be true. Oh, wait. Oh no. I'm a silly goose. Why am I doing this twice? I go in here and then I check this again. Weird. Thank you, DB9. Thought I could code and listen to the stream, but I evidently can't split my attention like that. Small brain problems, gotta go. Have a good coding session. Have fun. In this case, I want this to be craft. Otherwise, we'll say missing ingredients. Or we'll say no recipes selected. I don't know why we'd check this twice, but whatever. I think this gets called from multiple different places. So what I might do is just remove this if we're gonna check thither. Oh, I have a whole third row inventory. That explains why it wasn't running into it as a problem. Okay. Let's fill our inventory first. I'm gonna go wind down for today. Thanks for the stream. Take care, chat. Have a good winding down. That sounds amazing. Honestly, I probably should have just gone to bed like 3 hours ago instead of streaming. So now I'm a little jealous. Tanzim, welcome in. Hello. Welcome. I'm just filling up my inventory. Although I can see that it's full, so I guess I'm done. So what I want to see is that I can craft this. That's interesting. This one says there's no room in inventory. But this one says missing ingredients. But it's both. Weird. Spud is like, oh, barking in her sleep. So yeah, I'm just trying to test these situations. I guess I have to set the priority, huh? But it just doesn't make sense to me that it would be different for different items when like none of them have all the necessary ingredients. But yeah, tomorrow I don't have to work. I'm taking the day off. I have to go at like 1 p.m. my time to an appointment to figure out my business taxes for the year. Hopefully. What gave you the idea for this game? I knew I wanted to make a multiplayer game, and I had a few ideas for like games that I could make that were multiplayer, but I also just like kind of wanted to make something that would be cozy and chill. Okay, well that makes sense. I wanted to make something that would be cozy and chill, and then I was thinking about like Animal Crossing is one of the games that I really like and also has like some problems with it. Wait, how so? Oof, rip. Wait, did I miss something? Oh, how do I have the day off? Is that the question? Yeah, so I just like thought it'd be cool to improve on some things about Animal Crossing because that's what my focus has been. Oh, the tax business. Yeah, so like it's weird. Like we did half of it. But there's also half of it that I'm just like, I'm not sure how we do this. I'm not sure exactly what these words mean. And then I'm not sure if there's anything else that I'm supposed to do. So I just wanted to like meet with someone and talk to them about it. Improve how. So like for one, this game doesn't use real world time. It's more like Stardew Valley time. So it's 30 seconds per hour in game. And then every day in game, like a bunch of stuff refreshes. So instead of it being like you have to walk away for a day to play it more, it just like you got to give it like a minute. And then there's ways to time travel built into the game. So like if you craft a chair and you sit in it, then it will speed up time for as long as you've set it to be like you're resting, kind of like Fallout. Also, you have multiple saves. So you can just like make a new thing anytime you want, and like you don't lose the progress on your old one. You can let other people play on your machine without risking your stuff. Also, the multiplayer mode, the people in multiplayer with you are gonna have as much control as you have. So for better or worse, it'll be a little chaos, but it'll be fun. And you can just make a separate save for the multiplayer hosting if you don't want people to like mess up your masterpiece. But yeah, these are things I wish Animal Crossing had. But it's also going to be like a lot less than Animal Crossing. Like there won't be NPCs, villagers. It's not going to be like that. It's just collecting things, crafting things, gaining skill, unlocking abilities. The slow time in Animal Crossing was a pain sometimes. I hated it. I hated it. Scatterverkit is classic in that they will answer all your questions provided you ask the correct questions. Yes. Never on paper. Yeah, exactly. Nothing's guaranteed. Same with MigrationsVerkit. Nothing is guaranteed when I talk to them on the phone, but they wouldn't put it in writing. No saying that when you go to Sweden Public Services to ask 10 people the same question, you get 11 different answers. Yeah. I'm meeting with a new business support. So, New Företagscentrum. So they're not like professionals from the state. They're like volunteers. Unless your friends are NPCs, then there are NPCs in the game. It's true. So I just need someone that knows the system, who knows Swedish, to look at this and be like, did I fill this out right? Are you Swedish? No, but I live in Sweden. Makai, welcome in. Hello. No, I live in Sweden. This is my 3rd year here and my 1st year running. This was my 1st year of owning a business in Sweden. What have I become? My Swedish friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end. I don't know of a clever way to turn around. I would have loved to say like everyone goes away to like Italy on vacation, but I couldn't fit it. Couldn't fit it. Everything I own turns to tax in the end. Yeah, that's okay. It's a good deal for me at least, because like if the money that I make from the bread factory goes to the bread factory and I don't pay myself a salary, then the tax is less than if it had just been to me personally. But if I eventually want a salary from it, then I have to pay tax. But right now I don't want a salary from it. I just want the money to grow the business. Just let it percolate, exfoliate, replicate, and then I can hire all of you beautiful people to do my bidding. Yes. Do my bidding. We have ads in progress the next 3 minutes. Sorry. That yawn was only for the subscribers. If you use bread factory money to buy equipment, office material, desks, expenses that are subtracted before tax applied. Yeah, I know. And I can get like a gym membership as like an employee, and that gets covered. But I'm not an employee yet. And I also get that from my day job, so I'll let them pay for it first. But yeah. It's a good deal. Hydrate. Thank you, Sprig VTuber. Welcome in. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good deal. Because, like, especially as a streamer, like, and a YouTube personality, the money that I spend for the business can be, like, on candles. You know what I mean? You'd hire me? No, not you, DB9. Not you. No. What? Oh, now I feel bad. I was just trying to be silly. Now I feel bad. Oh, I had to go back and check. Do you want to be hired, DB9? You didn't say not me. I clipped it. Okay. Damn. For the lawsuit. Okay. She promised. She promised she would hire me. So I do this check, and then if there's not room in inventory, then I don't do this check. So the room in inventory should take precedent over the missing ingredients. But it's not. For the lawsuit. Oh, I just realized why I do want that, actually. I'll keep that in. Burngree, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Hello. Hello. I'm very bothered that this isn't just working. I guess it's because the has inventory space without is kind of squishy. Because it's calculating if it has space when the ingredients used in it are gone. So that makes a little sense that it would be variable. So I think this is fine. Adds, accept, adds crafting menu, accept recipe button, tool tips for when it's enabled or not, and why. That's a nice thing to have. I meant to do it before. DB9, are you trying to make a point of why you should be hired as priority? Because you're the top? Is that what I'm to understand? Is that what this was for? Streamlabs is pretty high up there too, though. Just asserting dominance. Okay. Okay. This I'm not in as much of a hurry for. Add consuming anything in your inventory turns it into energy for conjuring. Infinite energy or storage like money can be spent on conjuring items from ideas. Discovered fishing. How come you are above the streamer herself? Because he gambles. And because he interacts in chat more than I do? That's a good question. But I think it's just because chatters get points faster. And people who are subbed gets points faster. You could probably afford me, but nursery is expensive. Don't want to take over pre-chewing my food. As long as I don't have to be the one post-chewing your food. It's probably fine. Yeah. I don't know that I want to pay for that, though. I mean, I will if I have to, but let's hope it doesn't come to that. It's dark turn we took. Because now I'm thinking of the alternative and it makes me sad. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, yeah. It beats the alternative. Oh, yeah. So this is an interesting bug, actually. This is a bigger feature. I'm going to put this over here. Check for matching version in multiplayer with bypass option. This one's interesting. I have this weird bug. Godot, Steam, set data, set lobby data. doesn't store. Get the fuck out of here. Sorry for swearing. AI was invading my search. Panda coders load with points and cash. Yeah. Someday Panda coders gonna cash in. Better not clip that and take it out of context. Wait, clip what? Language streamer. I'm sorry, Biley. I'm sorry. Swearing. No, I'm sorry. This is a wholesome stream. Yeah, set lobby data. Oh, that's not the problem. Fine. If you call it immediately after creating lobby, I'm not. I'm calling it in the lobby created callback. So Steam run callbacks. I am already doing this. I'm not using the app ID 480. I'm otherwise working in the lobbies. Data type issue. Key and value should be strings. Pretty sure it is, but I'll double check. What does that have to do with anything? No, it doesn't know what it's talking about. Stupid AI, get the fuck out of here. In fact, is there a way to just turn you off forever? No. Stop thinking. How do I turn it off? I heard there was a way without just like not using Google. Google's offered in Svenska. Gotta switch to another search engine. Don't say that. In the context used, I think it's still wholesome. Okay, thank you. Hopefully iHeart forgets I'm supposed to put money in the swear jar when she has a potty mouth. That's a beautiful thing. You can't. DB9, you put so much, like, prepaid money into my swear jar today. I get to be, like, crass for quite a bit. And it's all DB9's fault. There's gonna be nobody left watching because I'm gonna be such a sailor. Sailor mouth. Maybe they're browser add-ons. That's a good point. Phil Gorley, welcome in. Oh, P Gorley. Is that a secret? I mean, your name starts with a P and ends with a Gorley, so I'm just calling you P Gorley. It doesn't mean anything. Oops. DB9's a bad viewer. Yeah, I believe that. A pirate become a pirate. Arr. Microsoft has said they have to find a use for AI. Otherwise, they will lose moral support from the public for all the resources and carbon emissions they're throwing down the drain. Yeah. But Gorley, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to put that together. You gotta be careful with me, though. I'm really smart. Unsubbed. Oh. I'm really smart. Disable Google AI. Oof, that's bright. Sorry. I don't really trust any of these add-ons. These all look sus. We'll just ignore it. sorry, Pagorli. So it's a key value pair in the lobby metadata. Right. I'm wondering if that's the problem. It can only be set by the owner of the lobby. This will only send the data if it is changed. Okay. The candle did die, you're right. Ironic, welcome in. You having fun making Steam lobbies? Yeah, no, I mean, like, there's not really a problem with the lobbies. And Ironic, maybe you know what the dealio is with this. I'll fix the candle in a minute, DB9. I'm calling set lobby data. Where is it? On lobby created. So I make a new lobby. And then I call set lobby data. I guess the suggestion from the AI bot, whatever it was, to make sure that it's a string. But a version should always be a string. Yeah, this is a string. Cannot help. Okay. Can do help me. Yeah, I'm just trying to set the game version. It does return a bool though, so I could say like get the results. And then if not results, print it didn't work, comma, results. Cause yeah, Chewbacca Bushi, welcome in. I'm trying to print out or store the version on the host machine so that the client, when they're joining, if they have the wrong version, they'll get like a warning. But I tried this, and that's like what all the commented out stuff is down here, was me trying it. But the warning message always said that the host was empty. It was empty string version, so it's just not setting. So we'll try that, and I'll fix the candle. I think we need a new big candle. I guess it worked. Because we didn't hit the breakpoint. Okay. See, this is the kind of thing that I would put in a business write-off. A business expense. A giant candle. Ironic, are you working on a new game that uses Steam lobbies? Yes. Oh, exciting. Just like a nunnery. Candles for rituals, snacks for meetings. Exactly. And it's gonna be like my entire diet of food. No, we won't cheat the government, of course. That would be silly. But, you know, if I switch to mukbang streaming, then we would. That would be a business expense then, wouldn't it? Alright, I'm gonna light this candle. Seems that my previous candle drowned itself in its own wax. Do one mukbang stream per year so you can classify yourself as a mukbang streamer for the tax benefits. I could just do like one mukbang at the end of every stream. Do like one meal a day. I could just like do all my cooking on stream. Do one on the anniversary. Oh, carrot cake. Yes, carrot cake. She's chilling out. No, I can't like actually eat that much at a time. So it would be like, I think if anything, cooking would make more sense. I just want to make sure like we're getting to this point at all. Just want to make sure. Sanity check. We'll call it a sanity check. Okay, so it did work. So, okay. What is the command called? Where we update? That's why it should be on the anniversary, since that's when people do subathons or long streams. Oh, yeah, that's true. I wasn't planning on doing a crazy long stream for my affiliate anniversary. Maybe I should. Louise, welcome in. Why are you giant and slightly transparent? I've always been slightly transparent, actually. I was just always on a black background, so you couldn't tell, except my ears stuck up a little bit. It's a long story. But I feel like it suits me. No shot. Wait, what? No shot? Lobby data back code. Yeah, I was this whole time. No shot is saying for a while. There's no way. Oh. See, I'm not with it. I'm just like totally out of touch. No judgment. Thank you. It's been around for 10 plus years. Oh. Irish John, welcome in. Hello. You Bob Ross. Oh, your cool story bot. Wow. Thanks. John, you've been streaming weird days and times lately. I don't know what's going on. As I've said, I'm not with it. Really expect you to be transparent after Carrot Cake changed gender, not before. What? Bonus streams. Okay, so you're still gonna do your regular ones. Okay, okay. Why sad face? Wait. Oh, transparent. Okay, okay. Okay. Yeah. Because in Booya's stream this morning, I want to say, we were talking about your streams, and he's like, oh, John changed his schedule and I always miss it. And then I saw you like streaming during the day this week, and I was like, did I not realize you like totally changed your schedule on me? How could you do this to me, John? But that's cool. Extra streams. I'm doing a little bit of that myself. This is it. Same schedule. I'll try and do as many bonuses as possible. Nice. Nice. No. I'm trying to use brain. Oh, wait. Am I not able to get this information until I've joined the lobby? Is that the problem was? Okay. Check valid version. Had to cancel Monday. Oh, okay. That makes sense. This lobby. Yeah, because I was looking for you. Not in like a creepy way. Just in a hey way. I'm gonna just stop talking. But yeah, that's good. Anyway. It's never a creepy way, but sometimes when I clarify it, makes it worse. It makes it sound creepy. I know what you mean. I get dizzy when people fuck with their schedules. Just in a stalkery way. Exactly, DB9. You get it. Yeah, I just... And sometimes, like, people will be on their schedule. And I'll be like, where are they? What's going on? And then I'll realize I just didn't realize what day it was. And, and then I look like a jerk. Because I already messaged them to be like, where the hell are you? So now I don't do that anymore. Still angry. Yeah, it's like, they're right, but I'm still mad. Like, come on. Come on. I want to add a signal when the lobby data changed. Lobby data update. Because I just want to see. If this is working. Oh wait, I already have it right here. Game version. I like tried changing the string and everything just to see if... Oh. It was a problem with the name being reserved version. Okay. If it's their right to cancel, it's your right to be mad. Yeah, and if it's their right to stick to their schedule, but I forgot the day. Still, I can be mad as much as I want, honestly. So it is getting us. What else did I change? Oh, I was thinking I would check later. Means their schedule's wrong. Exactly. Not a good time for us. On lobby joined. Okay, so I am gonna call this. So maybe get my laptop out. And host myself. Oh, I already am home. Okay. Okay. So what I'm really changing at this point is when do we check the host's version, which means I don't have to update what's on the laptop if I make sure that what's on the desktop is the client. So that's what we'll do. I was so excited for this laptop and I thought I would do game dev on it all the time. But I wanted to get a compact laptop because I was taking it on the bus with me. But as a result, it's too small to really work with. Got any current tips or tricks you're weaving into your stuff recently? I don't know. Urchinlo, welcome in. I think I don't know, like I'm still working on not using auto loads. 13-inch really sucks. Senior Paint Salon, welcome in. Is that how much snow or something else? What are we talking about? Oh, the laptop. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Sorry. That's a lot. Yeah, that's too much. What a dirty mind. I know, Tom. Got you out of your lurk. Sorry. Oh no. Okay. Yeah, I probably was too tired to do this stream today. Because I'm just... I also 13-incher. It's email and watching videos when commuting or traveling. Yeah. We should stop talking about our bush. It took a lot of restraint. Took a lot of restraint. I mean, a bush like mine is hard to keep out of your mouth. Oh, it worked. Don't clip it. You know I hesitated so much to say it. Don't clip it. That was a treat for you all and no one else. Oh my god, Tom. Thank you for the gift subs. But why? Oh no. Oh no. Help with the bush. Thank you. Thank you. That's really nice. 13 inch as well. Perfect size to have in bed for YouTube, etc. Yeah. Yeah, Coda You know what? I'm just gonna stop making these jokes. Never mind. So this worked. Yay. See? You can't see it because it's tiny. Let's see if it's bigger now. Yeah, so this one says 0.1.4 and this one says 0.1.3. And then YOLO just goes anyway. But if I'm going to do this after I've already joined, then I want to instead say, get me out of here or something. But it used to not say anything. It would just say like blank. So this is good. This is progress. Also, you see how it didn't like destroy my save data when we closed? Pretty cool. It's progress. I'm like really happy with how this is progressing. Mint green hair suits you. Thank you. Thank you, yes. Yeah, you like can't even see me when I have the game open like this. Oh well. Must check, yeah. Is my opacity too low? Is my camera too big? It's probably too big. I should have listened to Vongo. I don't know. Is this... Were you guys all used to Big Me? And now I ruined it? Did I ruin it? Is this better? The dream is dead. I'm still here. No. No to what? No what? No, I'm not. What? Dreamword's not dead. Yeah, Dreamword's right here. Don't scare me like that. Looks better with smaller camcorder. Okay, okay. A little cluttered. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. So I just want it to be like a little bit over, which is why it's transparent. Yeah. I thought it was fine when it was just Godot open, but when there's other interesting things on the screen, it starts to feel weird. TV9, you always do such an excellent job clipping me. And I always regret it. You always look so happy. Yeah. Yeah, I do. All right. We should stop talking about our bush. It took a lot of restraint. Oh no. It took a lot of restraint. I mean, a bush like mine is hard to keep out of your mouth. Oh, it worked. What's wrong with me? Don't clip it. You know, I hesitated so much to say it. I really didn't. That was a treat for you all and no one else. I really was like, you could see the look on my face, like I thought of it. And then I was like, no. Don't do it. But let's that'll be a fun surprise at the end of the year. And we'll remember this and laugh. Right? It'll be funny then. When your mind says no, but the body says yes. I mean, it's more like my brain said no. And then my other brain was like, I shouldn't listen to me. I'm tired. Skip my school prom. Was it worth it? I skipped mine too, VFX. I don't know if it's worth it. Is it worth it for the clip? No. 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 It was not worth it for the clip. I don't know. I never went to prom. Okay, so I'm not gonna have the okay button say YOLO. I don't want it to be a warning. I want it to be a question. Confirmation. Return home. Cancel pressed. On bad lobby. Cancel pressed. Beef lobby. Close. Bad lobby. Warn. Love it when mornings are phrased as questions. Much nicer that way. Would you like to not be eaten by my guard dogs? Yeah. Would you rather not get run over by a train? It's gonna be like, would you rather not have your game data corrupted? It's a choice. It's a choice. I guess I should bind this. Gotta give the player choice. Exactly. It's all about player choice. I'm just gonna queue for it. Okay, so okay button text stay warn dot cancel button text equals go home. You're not in the same version as this lobby. Your version, lobby version plus new line. Would you like to return home? We need to, instead of waiting, say warn dot cancel connect on bad lobby cancel pressed. Oh. Bind. Warn. Bind. Okay, so I shouldn't have like shut down my laptop and everything. What if gentle parenting was UX? Yeah. Why would you let the player join a server with different version? It's more about communicating. Bye, lovely lady. How to get rid of hobo mode and get a haircut. Have a good haircut. Good luck. Hey, Yusuf. Welcome in. Hello. I think YouTube is down in the UK. Ujinx, welcome in. It is. Can my other UKers confirm or deny? Just curious. What feature are we working on? I'm working on a pop-up menu after it checks the version comparison between the lobby you're joining and your own. A good point was brought up by Tom, which is, should they be allowed to stay? I'm not from the UK. Okay, okay. No YouTube videos to load. I tried to put on lo-fi music while I work my game. I was having an issue with YouTube the other day because of my ad blocker. It just like updated weird and it like broke YouTube and Twitch for a while. So if you have an ad block, try disabling it. Okay, so it's working for DB9. I know he's in the UK. Yeah, just try disabling it on the site and see if it works. Because mine, it was like it wasn't showing people's profile pictures or anything. Guess where I am from? I have no idea. I have no idea. Your name's Yusuf? So maybe Eastern Europe, maybe East Africa. I'm not sure. CMD. Two 28-inch monitors of iHeart, maybe too much iHeart. Why would you say such a ludicrous thing, DB9? Zuiz sounds French. It's Morocco. North Africa. Dreamlord, you called it. You called it. Disabled, reloaded, and it worked immediately. Nice. Nice. I'm glad. Yeah, it was happening to me the other day, and I was going crazy. I was going crazy. Okay, so why are we offering people the choice instead of just kicking them out of the lobby? Because it might not corrupt their save. And they might just want to take the risk. Algeria. Okay, so Dreamlord was... I don't know if actually that's close. That might be the other side. Just gotta boot them. Yeah. Okay. Okay, here's what we'll do. We'll say, okay, you are not on the same version as this lobby. Your version, this. Lobby version, this. Destroys their PC and lives. It's time to go home. I don't know what to say. Just say, returning you to your realm. Mr. D-Boy, welcome. Did you finish streaming? Oh. Something must have gone wrong, Mr. D-Boy. Because, you didn't raid me. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Mom Tillman, damn. Everything went wrong. It did. What does that mean? Did you enjoy your Xbox coming soon thing? Too big to raid? That's fair. I was like filling up half the screen too. The version check comes before the player is even allowed to connect to the server host. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Okay, let's say this and then leave lobby. No one wanted to play No Rest for the Wicked. Is that what you were doing? Is that why you were asking me? He dropped his Cheeto and accidentally stepped on it. Cheetozilla's dead. No. No. No one wanted to play with you. I'm sorry. That's why you were asking. I think was Grumble playing that? He was playing something today. He finished Aita. I thought he picked up something else. Growling Octopus, welcome in. Yeah, so maybe what'll happen... So we don't have loading screens right now. Did someone say Grumble? I did, Kent. Welcome in. At one point he was here. But he left. They all leave. Anyway, if I had a loading screen, I wouldn't show that you land in the other person's place. Maybe I could delay spawning the character even. Yeah, maybe I could just not spawn them so you don't see them. But for now, I think this will be fine. So it'll just say, you're not in the same version as this lobby. The choice was more when I wasn't even successfully checking. So. And then leave lobby. I can't even test it. Because I closed my laptop. I'll have to open my laptop. Kent, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Can I get a silly goose counter for turning off my laptop before I finish testing this? Thank you, TV9. I deserve that. I had an idea that I think I'm gonna do on Saturday's stream. Developing multiplayer games is fun. It is, Tom. It is. I have this idea for Saturday to do a different project and just like try to start to finish it on Saturday. And if I don't finish it on Saturday, then I just won't finish it. It won't be like a tangent project. I promise. I hope you all believe me. Saturday jam confirmed. Yeah. Love the random we just left hanging. Cause Tom said developing multiplayer games is fun. Developing multiplayer in my game, and I have no engine and very rudimentary core networking libraries to do it. That sounds painful. That sounds way harder than what I'm doing. Oh, I already changed the type, so I gotta fix that. See, that's why we test. Is it hard to make multiplayer? Yeah, generally it's considered one of the hardest things to add to a game. Because it changes how everything in your game interacts with everything else. Like all of your data changes, and what might feel like simple solutions that just are straightforward, a lot of times they just don't work in multiplayer. But you said, who cares? I'm brave. I'm specifically making a multiplayer because I wanted to make a tutorial on how to make multiplayer. Oh. Waiting for confirmed. Wait. I think this is what's failing. Steam manager.leave lobby. Multiplayer manager.leave game. Okay. Okay. I think I just wasn't fully doing this. It's quite nice to see how it works more under the hood. Just a learning thing. Yeah, for sure. For sure. I would be curious to see how that's even possible. Why not write it straight up in assembly? We should just, like, forget assembly. I feel like that's too, like, hand-holdy. And we should just, in VHDL, write the logic. Write our own assembler code. So this is, I still have my lobby open, so I can just join it. Cricket. Today, remember a loved one and bust some ass. Thank you, Cricket. That's beautiful. Coda, I see something. Hold on. Is this riff I wrote ripping off Animal Crossing too much? I'm trying to totally overhaul my stream revelations today. Let's see. I feel like this is a perfect vibe for Hexury Day theme, though. Just need more time in the maturation chamber, of course. Animal Crossing music by heart, but it didn't feel ripped off. Okay. Didn't you cross these core bitches making chicken juicers? Yeah, that's why I feel like I can make a tutorial of it. That's why I was like, yeah, let's do this. Dr. Necrotech, welcome in. I think Coda sent a link to a song, but I've never seen this. Oh, this website. It just like went silent for the last 4 seconds. This sounds exactly like Animal Crossing. Like, I think this might be a ripoff. Yeah, this sounds like way too close. Way too close. My humble 2 copper pieces. Here's my virgin opinion. Go on. You, oh, I kind of like it. I missed that. I missed that part. What? Okay. Assembly's too wordy. Write it directly in machine code. The hex editor. Yeah, that could work. Maybe I will if I want to learn about that one day. That's fair. Sarah, welcome in. Came into the chat just to greet Cricket, I see. That's fine. That's fine. Grotesque, I love it. Oh, everyone misses Cricket and is thinking of Cricket. And I'm just also here, I guess. I've only fully vibe coded one thing, and it was an assembly language cat drawing. Fully vibe coded. Seems like that would be harder than like just coding it, right? Roller Coaster Tycoon's written assembly. It is. How are your bushes doing today? Dr. Necrotech, I made a gross bush joke earlier, so now I'm trying to like let the heat die down. I think the bass is a little loud. Exported lots of empty space. Yeah. Do your best KK sliders, sing along with it, coward. Damn. Damn. There you go. Who's a coward now? Oh, we're in ads. Just in time. For me, it's a unique masterpiece. There you go. Thank you, Sarah. Hello. Welcome in. I feel seen. Make it at least 2 minutes. So I'll try to force the song away from Animal Crossing vibes. Okay. Nobody wants a hot bush. Yeah, you gotta cool it off. Gotta let it breathe. Let the bush breathe once in a while. Okay, we're testing this. Clipped remix time. Oh no. Not a bad KK. Needs more munchkin to it. I don't know. I feel like mine was pretty good. What about an ever-burning bush? Do you notice how we're still here? That's still good. Was that a religion joke, Tom? Was that a Christianity joke? You shouldn't make fun of the Christians. They can't handle it. So why is this broken? I'm sorry to any Christians in the chat. I'm just being a silly goose. Isn't this how I do it at the other one? Mini Cricket says hello. Hello, Mini Cricket. Does Mini Cricket want to see a dog? I think Mini Cricket might like dogs. Oh, she's not here. Carrot Cake. Do you want to come be the center of attention? Yeah, I want to see you. Oh, big girl. This is carrot cake. She was sleeping, but she came over to say hi. Get some attention. Oh, maybe my overlays. Oh no, it's the on-screen celebration. Okay. Do you like attention? Floof, she is. She is. She's sitting really weird in my lap, but I bet we could get some work done. You gonna help? So weird how calm she is. Why isn't she trying to chew your fingers off? She just woke up. She just woke up and waddled over to me. Is our pug broken? I mean, it's a pug. Pugs are crazy. Wiggly. I'm sure she'll start wiggling in a minute, though. She's a mama's girl, too, so she just, like, likes to be here. But she's already starting to squirm. This probably isn't comfortable for her. She's sitting like a human and not like a dog. You want to like sit normal? Like rest your butt? Like that? Okay. Why isn't this working? My wife did -0 research on the breed, just fell in love, and now we have a land piranha. I had a crazy pug when I was a kid. Her name was Biscuit, and she was a monster. Like, we'd cry because she was just so crazy, and it was stressful. And then we got another pug that was her age, because our other pug, Buster, was too old to really play with. But yeah, when we got another pug, Fox, who was her age, that she could just beat up and get it out of her system, she calmed down so much. Getting heavy. If Carrot explained the problem, that would be a good clip. That would be like, I'd cash in. That would be insane. That would be insane. But like, they're so cute, pugs. I love pugs. They're just like, they're too smart. And that makes them kind of chaos. Because like Buster could figure out how to open our backpacks as kids. So he'd open our backpacks to eat like our makeup and our erasers and anything else he could. Can't mind down, tried to punch myself with a hammer, but chickened out. Then you didn't really try it, did you, Lenny, if you chickened out? One of those days where I'm going to be awake until 1 a.m. it seems. They're chaotic evil, but they're cute. Lenny, have you tried doing 20 jumping jacks? Have you tried that? Also, it's 10 p.m. That explains why I'm so tired. Sorry. That explains why I'm so tired. Why do I keep doing this to myself? Why do I keep staying up streaming? Yeah, you can get melatonin over the counter now at the Apothec. Professional upstairs neighbor. That's funny. 10 p.m. do some jumping jacks. Well, 20 was just to get you started. Let's just get you started. Yeah. Our upstairs neighbor does they have, I'm convinced, several jars of marbles strategically placed towards the edge of tables all around their house. And then either several mischievous cats or one especially mischievous cat. You hear tippy taps. Oh, that sounds nice. Because it's like you hear like thud and then shh. And like, what is happening? A hyperactive toddler. Well, I know they don't have a toddler. I feel like I would have noticed a child coming and going. But you don't even need dead marbles in the house. That's a good point. But the way they like roll and like we hear them just like roll from like one end to the other, it's like definitely marbles. Do not miss having upstairs neighbors. I prefer having upstairs neighbors to being the upstairs neighbor because I feel guilty. But the worst is being sandwiched. It's a choice and I respect it. You shouldn't. You should not respect that. Our neighbors over to the other side of us do woodworking in the summer outside. And it's super loud. And so like we'll have the window open and we'll hear like the saw going. Like just like the next yard over. Kind of sucks. Okay, so why isn't this working? We're here. Here I am changing the fans on my test equipment to Nocta ones, just lower the volume. This fucker's doing woodworking. Yeah. Yeah. But he's like retired, so I kind of want to let him do whatever he wants. He worked hard. Let him have his woodworking. So when do we call this? We should call it after we check for host. And we should add an await. Update client peer. Okay. So maybe we'll do a return statement. And then we'll say result is equal to that. And then we'll say if result then we do that. HP test equipment seems to think the louder the fan is, the better. This is for my own benefit as much as the neighbors. Wait. Why is it to your benefit if louder means better? Oh, just like a new brand that doesn't think that. Okay. I'm picking it up. The pieces are there. Oh. Oh, you know what? I'll tell you what. Since we don't update client peer, we don't need to do this. We can just leave lobby. And then we won't have to restart anything. I like that. Are you tired? You seem so... I am tired. The OEM fans are just very, very loud. I haven't got a clue if they move more air or not. They probably do. They're probably just loose. You probably installed them wrong. So yeah, it won't let me in, so I'm just still here. I'm still me. But then, if I go in the back in time machine, my ears deserve silence. You have special ears. Listen. Listen with your special ears. Nice. We did it. Oh, I forgot I can fly. Good. This is good, I think. I'm proud of us. Thank you, Tom, for pointing out my foolish and childish insolence. We'll call it. Okay. Good job, everybody. Yeah, we did it, gang. I need to bring back the version number. And I think we can get rid of some of these print statements. And I need to stop hiccuping. Okay. We did it. This is good. I was really like pondering on this one, but yeah, it makes sense that it's you join the lobby and then you can get the data. This back to the from whence you came. This doesn't need to be converted to string, but we'll just leave it. Adds checking lobby version when joining a lobby. Return. Returns player home if their version doesn't match the host. Sorry for the flash. Okay. What else? So, I'm not going to do it today, but I want to talk a little bit about what we're going to do next. And then I'm probably going to read us out because I'm sleepy. Strawberry milk. Milk. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. I love strawberries. I love strawberry milk. Okay, so I want to add the ability to consume things. So you pick up a mushroom, your character pops it in their mouth and eats it. The mushroom's not in their inventory anymore, and the player gets credits. And then they can eat sticks, and they can eat rocks, and they can eat furniture. Anything that they pick up, they can eat. But in order to do that, I kind of need a way to like choose what we're doing with inventory items instead of them all just like being placed on the ground. So adding an option menu when you click on inventory items, I think, is a critical next step. So you click on a mushroom and you get an option like, do you want to drop this? Do you want to place it? Do you want to eat it? Do you want to eat it? Do you want to eat the mushrooms? Chat? Do you want to take a trip with me? So yeah, I think that is a good thing to add. Basically, it's the garbage system. I think I fixed this. Yeah, why not? Okay, cool, Burke. Welcome in. Excellent. We fixed this too. Why are these still here? So, I think I'm gonna read us out. I'm sorry for being so sleepy. It's just that time of the day. And I got some good stuff done, but it probably wasn't the most interesting stream, so sorry about that. I'll be back tomorrow, but probably a little earlier than normal. Side task to side quest, they'll add motivation plus 10. Good idea. Should we then rename High Prio to like main storyline or something? What do you think? Think on it. Tomorrow I'm gonna start streaming earlier in the day. And main quest. Okay. I think that's gonna help. I think that's gonna help with my tiredness if I'm on earlier. Good job on the progress. Thank you. I'm really happy with getting the version checking. That's gonna help a lot. We fixed the bushes, and there was a bug related to the bush achievement that I fixed. And we got the tooltips for crafting, and we moved around when wood axe and shovel are available. So like a lot of little things. And the some things took longer than I thought they would. But I have a lot of visual effects and animations in my to-do list for the main quest. And I keep putting them off. I should just do it. Good night. Thank you, Brick. Have a good night or day. Oh my gosh, IRAD is live for 5 hours. Okay.
Great.
I don't know if you all know IRAD. Every time I'm in Foolbox's stream, he calls IRAD iHeart and iHeart. Wait. Yeah, he calls me IRAD. And I'm very tired. Let's go raid. Let's go raid IRAD. You can just call it like iRaid or something. Yeah. I don't know. You say whatever. Say something nice. I raid funny hearts. Nice. IRAD funny hearts. Okay. And YouTube, I'm not going to redirect you. I'm just going to say goodbye here. So I hope you have a good one. And so long, and thanks for all the fish. As they say. Okay. Bye.